Every so often a location comes along that is so freaking perfect that you have no choice but to go fly it. Right? I mean, right? Hey.
Yo.
Look where I am.
Oh, what the fuck is that, dude?
Right? I should really give a shout out to Camera Butter, who is unofficially sponsoring this outing. I started this trip with a stack of Camera Butter ND filters. I've got a whole video about what ND filters are and how to use them. I'll put a link in the video description below. The downside is that, like, literally every time you touch an obstacle, boom. Well, folks, my GoPro SD card is full, but you know the rules. Never fly your last pack. I think we're gonna call that good enough for today. I've had a great time. I've had a great time. I hope you've had a great time coming along with me. Happy Easter. See you in the next one.